How to see who did not follow you back on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can find out who did not follow you back on Instagram, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to find out who did not follow you back on Instagram, all you have to do is just go ahead and actually launch the Instagram application. So there are two case scenarios. So you can see this page is something that I follow, because you can see the following tab, it means that I follow this page. Now in order to find out if this person has followed me back or not, I will just go to the following tab. But when I go to the following tab, if you don't see your name at the top of your screen, it means that this person doesn't actually follow you. That's how it works. So basically I'll just go ahead and unfollow them for now. I'll show you a person that actually follows me as well. So let me just go ahead and select any of these profiles over here. Once I select a specific profile from this list, so let me just come back over here. Now this is basically a profile that follows me and I follow them back as well. So if I just come to the following tab, it means that my name is going to pop up at the top of the following list because they follow me back. If they don't follow you back, you will not see their name, but if they do follow you back, then you will see your name at the top of the following list, because you can see this is my account. So hope this video answered your questions. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.